Hello everybody and welcome once again. It's Keytron here. We're going to take a look at a long shackle, what we call a warded lock. If you can see that, it's got a huge keyway in there and we've lost the key to it. We're going to use Sparrows warded lock set. We'll start with this one and see what it takes to get this long shackle lock open. And we'll look for vulnerability with the, it doesn't really have pins, it has long little turnable, there it goes. Wasn't much to get into that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. I am Keytron.